What are tariffs? Monkey lives in the jungle and wants to buy coconut. But good coconuts only sell by beach monkeys, so Jungle Monkey asks Beach Monkey to deliver coconuts. This is called imports. Jungle Monkey government discovers about this transaction and says, "Not in my turn." If Monkey buys coconut outside jungle, he must pay importation taxes. This is called a tariff. Every time Monkey wants to buy from outside, he must pay jungle government a commission. But why monkey governments create tariffs? Local protectionism. Every time Jungle Monkey buys imported coconut, he is sending money to beach monkeys. This is because beach monkeys use new technology to grow coconuts. That makes beach coconuts bigger and cheaper. Jungle farmers that grow coconuts by hand start to lose competition. So, jungle farmers go to Monkey President and demand that he makes beach coconuts more expensive. So Monkey President creates tariff to encourage Jungle Monkey to buy from jungle farmers. This creates more jobs in local coconut farms. But coconut prices go up and coconut's not as tasty. So monkey farmers happy, but monkey consumers sad. Government funding. Government wants to build big, shiny concrete bridge to cross the river, so he needs money. Monkey President creates tariff to make money. Monkey government then uses money to build weak wooden bridge, and the rest of the money goes missing. Jungle monkeys become more sad, but government monkeys happy. Types of tariff. Coconut prices may go up, but they also may go down. Jungle Monkey President decides all coconuts from beach monkeys will be charged 5 leaves of tariff, no matter the original price. This is specific tariff. Although specific, it is not smart tariff. Instead, Monkey President decides all imported coconuts must pay 50% tariff. That means if coconut price is 10 leaves, tariff is 5. If price goes up to 20 leaves, tariff goes up to 10. This is called ad valorem tariff. Ad valorem is more used because government make more money with high prices. Also, when price is low, the tariff goes down, and this makes coconut farmers and monkey consumers less poor and more happy. But are tariffs really good? It depends. Jungle farmers happy because monkeys buying more of their coconuts. Consumer monkeys not so happy because coconut from beach monkey more expensive, and local coconut not so good. Tariff wars. Beach Monkey President discovers that Jungle President imposes tariffs on beach coconut. This makes monkeys from the jungle buy less beach coconut. So Beach President creates tariff to all bananas that grow on jungle. This makes jungle banana more expensive on Beach Kingdom. Jungle farmers were happy with increase in coconut sales, but now are sad because banana exports went down. Jungle Monkey President sees this as an attack and creates even bigger tariffs. Beach President retaliates and also makes bigger tariff. This makes coconuts and bananas more expensive. In the long term, monkeys from beach and jungle become more poor and lose weight. Real war. If beach and jungle presidents don't come to agreements and stop tariff war, monkeys become more unhappy and tensions arise in their kingdoms. This can lead to actual war. Capital and production flight. If tariffs become too high and monkeys start buying less, farmers start to lose money. So farmer monkeys decide to abandon their farms in Beach Kingdom and Jungle Kingdom and start new farms in Mountain Kingdom. Why? Because Mountain Kingdom has cheap land, cheap worker monkeys, and is not facing tariffs. Monkey farmers happy again, monkey consumers happy again, monkey presidents sad. Well, except for Mountain Monkey President, who happy as fuck. If you want to know more about economics explained simple, please subscribe.